me get a picture of that.
We gotta get on one for Mason first, and then yeah.
So that was a favorite part that had Mickey on it in a skeleton costume, holding a mask that goes up and down.
Tell them about it.
I hope someday when we get a dog, we can buy a fake service animal vest and sneak him in and get him into the park too. Yeah, see, that is the new one. Or lights up, probably.
Yeah, there it is. So cute.
Una foto, vente pues.
You wanna take a picture of the plate? Una foto.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, sorry. Really, this way.
They told us. They just told us 3.
27.
Did I get it right? Am I in the right spot? Okay, you're good.
I want to go swimming. That's why I'm not gonna tell you. Okay, she doesn't care.
All right, buddy. Yeah, just so long.
Wait, no, when's it going to
Yay, we're all gonna get.
All right, who's gonna get the most wet?
So that's why they sat in the middle, because they didn't want to be here where it
Last time
dumps
I was
in.
over here, got super.
So let's.
Yeah, that's like the open area. That's like
But that's the point of the ride.
You're right.
this way.
Seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. And be sure to watch your kids. Oh, and never forget, don't feed the bears.
Saludos navegantes. Para asegurar un viaje seguro, recuerden mantenerse sentados con sus espuelas al costado y las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la balsa. Y cuiden a sus niños. Oh, y no olviden, no alimenten a los osos.
Why, hello, Pepper. For a safe ride.
There's no bag.
Oh, they took the bag out.
No, that's not very fun.
Oh, is it not?
Yeah, not to Magic Mountain had a bag.
We're going to get the one.
Here they want your bag to go in the water.
Hey, you literally. Oh, no.
Yay! We're right under where they dribble the water on us.
Guys, it's a big one. Oh no. Oh my gosh.
Nah, I'm not doing it.
I gotta remember to bring a rag next time.
Wendy, all you
That's why they sell towels.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, hell no.
Like the canoe goes down this, right?
That's funny. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
A little one.
No.
Worry about.
No, it's it.
Oh, that's where we're going. Oh, you guys did awesome. You guys did great.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, was I the one that suggested this? I was the one that suggested it. Oh, okay, good.
Wow, that's so fast.
That was fun as well. Quick. Oh,
The geyser's not going.
Yellowstone, guys.
Oh, no, that guy's were go. Oh, there. Oh,
It went off after we passed it, thank goodness.
Yellowstone. I think that was it. That's a good one. We didn't get too bad. Not too bad.
how's your shoes?
They're soaking. I kept my feet up off the ground, so that helps, but it's just the top of my shoes that are wet.
Good times. You guys are awesome.
That's just right. Want to do it again?
Okay.
Short line, we're already wet.
Yeah, right now you're already wet.
I haven't been on this ride in years.
Neither
long time.
Not since we had. Not since
Not
2000.
since before.
Yeah.
It's
Not since before the time.
Like 7 years
You're going to go down and all.
more.
No.
You're like, oh, wait, I'm going backwards now.
Well, since we've had our last pass.
That's what 7 years ago?
More. Yeah.
It totally glows in the dark though.
Yeah, cool, yeah. They're like, I'll be okay. It's so weird.
This is my favorite ride. I never want to ride it because you don't want to like walk around.
When you get out, I'll get you your phone number. It's going to put us back out here. The same place we were. We're just going to go around. Oh, okay. 360. We're just going to spin for a while. Spin cycle. All right. Got it?
My butt's so bad.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm fine.
This will dry really fast. Oh wow, baby, you got wetter than I thought. I'm sorry. That was fun.
Do you want to do it again?
I want to shoot it again.
Perfect, perfect.